Hi everyone, welcome to the vendor prepayment refunding module. Basically in this quick little guide, we're going to show you how to refund your vendor prepayment. So this is in the situation where you've prepaid your vendor for perhaps a PO or any inventory you're about to receive, and you want to refund some of that prepayment or maybe all of it. So I'm at the vendor prepayment center here, and what I can do is right click on a vendor prepayment and click on refund balance. So by default, it's going to fetch the refund amount remaining. So it's only going to refund whatever is remaining. So if you've applied some amount, it's not going to include that amount. So let's say out of this 2,500, I wanted to refund 1,500. I can just put that in, select the refund method, and then basically select my deposit account, any exchange rates, and you can associate it with a store as well. So if you, typically speaking, if you recorded the vendor prepayment under one warehouse, you want to make the refund under the same warehouse as well. You can add a memo as well, click on record refund, click OK. Now you can see even the status of the prepayment has changed to partially refunded. So if I were to go to vendor refund center, I can actually see my vendor refund that I just created. So basically, here's the vendor refund, and I can just basically see transactions from here. I can even void the vendor refund as well by right clicking on it and deleting it. So that'll remove the refund that I just created from the vendor prepayment, and it'll actually put the prepayment back into a status of open.